AI is evolving fast. What if I told you you can create a full cinematic video using just a text or even just a single image? This entire video was created using AI. No camera, no actors, no filming, no crew. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create all of this by using Seedance 2.0 by Higgsfield. From text to video, from image to animation, and even multi-shot cinematic scene, all generated with Seedance 2.0. I will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you will not understand how it works, but you will be able to create your own cinematic content using Seedance 2.0. Alright, so now let's get a jump on it and let's see how to use it. Okay, so now let me start prompting. So guys, just come up here on this Higgsfield website, okay? And then go here on this video, and then I'm going to create my video. Now just click here, and then guys, here, and I'm going to add my prompt, okay? So here, and I'm going to use the prompt only, and then this is my prompt, which am I going to use. So guys, this prompt, it is my imagination that have been created. So guys, in your prompt, you have to give them the full details, depend why the kind of the video you just want to generate, okay? And then, so let me just paste my prompt here, okay? So then this Seedance is going to generate the video, okay? And then even the characters, even the scene, by just using this prompt that I gave, just text only. So and then after that, here there is some seconds, guys, okay? For example, let me just give it them like a 10 second, okay? And then here, guys, cause I just want the YouTube videos, I have to give them this aspect ratio of 16:9, okay? And then after that, let me click generate, and let me wait a few little bit. Alright, so now the video, it is already generated. So now let me check it out. Let's see how it is. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. So this is hidden, it's already generated even their characters set where they are fighting, okay? You see, guys, how these things looks like. This looks like a real tough, okay? So and then guys, now the next step, I'm going to give my image, okay? And then I have to give that image the prompt which that image is gonna do, okay? So just come up here on this upload, okay? And I'm going to browse away my image. I just wanna be upload, okay? Yeah, let me use this one, okay? So guys, I just want this image to talk the things which I'm going to give it, okay? So and then there is some audio which am I going to upload to, and then this image will talk something in that audio, okay? So now and I'm going to generate this prompt, okay? And then this prompt, so and then don't worry about it. It means you can just create your own. So depend what the kind of the video you want. It will take my image into the studio, YouTube studio, okay? Then talking that audio that I'm going to give it, okay? So and also let me just upload my audio, guys, okay? Let me see, upload this audio, okay? Yeah, this one called voiceover, all right? So then this is what am I going to upload. AI is evolving fast. What if I told you you can create a full cinematic video using just a text or even just a single image? This entire video was created using AI. No camera. Alright, so now let me just click a save, and I'm going to upload it, okay? This audio will be combined with this image, okay? So and then let me just paste my prompt here, guys, okay? Ctrl+V. You see, guys, this is the realistic cinematic video, okay? Alright, so now let me click here on generate, and let's see what this Seedance is gonna give me. So guys, the video, it is already generated, and I'm going to play, and let's see how it is. AI is evolving fast. What if I told you you can create... Bro, you can't believe this. This is real. The full cinematic just most video. People, they can't guess this is AI. This is Seedance Higgsfield, bro. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. So, using just a text or even just a single image. This entire video was created using AI. No camera, no actor. My God. This is also amazing, right? So as you see, it is already took the audio which have been uploaded, okay? And this is my real face, guys, okay? You can't believe it, okay? So, and then that's the prompt that I have been gave it. This prompt is say, speaking directly to the camera with the accurate lips we've driven by provided audio. So, guys, and I'm going to add another prompt, okay, without using this audio. And I just want to check it out, the Seedance, this Higgsfield, what the audio is gonna give me, okay? So let me do it. So, and I'm going to paste this, okay? So let me just paste this. Yeah, this prompt, okay? To talk about the cinematic video of the person providing, yes, something like this, okay? There is no lips with the audio, naturally mouth movement, okay? So cause I didn't link it with this audio that I have been uploaded, okay? So I'm going to generate and let me see how it is going to give me, okay? Guys, so now you can't believe me what this Seedance Higgsfield gives me. So let me check it out, okay? If you're new to the channel, my name is Simon, and on this channel, I teach you how to edit, film, and create better videos. So if that's something you're interested in, consider hitting that subscribe button. Guys, I hate mice too. See how this video looks like, guys, okay? So yeah, the mic, okay, the background. Now see how the frame, the composition looks like, okay? This is really better, guys, okay? So, and now let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, my name is Simon, and on this channel, I teach you how to edit, film, and boom! Guys, this Higgsfield is game changer, guys, okay? And then create better videos. You see now how the lips is going with the real audio, guys. This is really good, okay? You can't believe if this video is it's not real, okay? Thing you're interested in, consider hitting that subscribe button. Now, let's get into it. And the last one, I just want to show you how to use multi-shot prompts. So for this time, I'm going to use the same image, but here I'm gonna use the music audio. So let me just upload the MP3 format. Okay, it is this one, trap, okay, and then just click here on save. So this, it will take like 13 seconds, okay, and then just press on this image, okay. Now you see, guys, here I have the audio and the image, and then let me just use this prompt, okay, because I just want the subject or the character which saying this music on this place, okay. Let me just click Ctrl+V. Now you see how this, yes, how this prompt it is, guys. This is a real good. And then so, and I'm going to generate, so let me just give it like a 15 second. Even the aspect ratio, it is this 16:9, okay. And then the format, it is 720p, okay. And then let me click here on generate. So guys, the video, it is already generated. So now you see how it is, and I'm going to play first. Let me see how it is. Guys, this is so crazy. You can't understand what a beautiful image that I get. So guys, you see, guys, how it is. Let me first check it out, okay, and I will say after. Bro, this is pretty amazing. You can just understand, man. You so that means, you see, there is some kinds of different shots, okay. So as you see on this prompt, okay, we have already talk about the one. Will talk like 3 seconds. The second one, it is also 3, okay. It's a medium close up, something like this. So now you give the details of the shots you want to give into your video, okay. So, and then this is my real face, okay, guys. Now I'm becoming an artist, okay. This is a pretty nice. So guys, this Seedance Higgsfield is a game changer. So if you just want to use it, please go to check out the link in the description down below, and then try it. Guys, this is more than just a tool. It's a new way of creating. From imagination to reality in a second. AI is not the future anymore. It's already here. Seedance 2.0. If you want to experience it yourself, go to check the link in the description down below and then you try it. And I will see you in next video, guys. Peace.